Good. Good morning. So, sige, 15 tayo sa call, nabawasan pa. So, guys, let's keep inviting, no? Tonight we will do an overview, no, about the company, about the products, and of course, yung compensation plan.
Mhm.
So, yeah, let's keep sharing the link, no? Yung pinaka-recent po na link na sinend namin ni Pastor Naf, no? Yung iba hindi yung other people cannot get in, so let's send the link, no? The very recent link, guys. So yes, good evening. Good evening po. Ma'am Esther, good evening. Sir Carlo, Ma'am Christine, Ma'am Denny, of course, Ate Ann, Sir JC, good evening. Sir RM, no? Who else? Go live Zoom presentation. Good evening. Ma'am Irma, good evening. Of course, Ma'am Donabel, good evening. So some new faces here, some new
Yes.
attendees. So guys, welcome po sa ating call. Uh, if we can hit the 30 participants for tonight, guys, no, let's keep inviting Doc.
Yes, let's hit 30
Good
because
evening, Doc.
that's when we start giving things away, right? We start giving things away, making awards when we hit 30. Let's make sure we're keeping the momentum going. While we're waiting a little bit, I want to tell you a little. Alan, can I tell them a little bit about where I am right now?
Go ahead, Paul. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Great. Hi, everyone. So I am in Utah, and anyone who's been in our industry for the longest time knows that Utah is like the mecca of network marketing. This is where all the companies are. They're housed, they're based, and the reason that Life is here, even though we started in California, the reason that we're here in Utah is because that is where all the greatest talent, the corporate talent is. Look, we know that we can um, build this business. We're regular people, just finding a great opportunity and bringing that all over the world. But we can't do that without a great corporate staff. And I am here right now at a special big cabin up in the Utah mountains, and I am part of the advisory board. That the It's a team of top distributors that, and some of you had met Victor and some of the other leaders when we came to the Philippines, but we're here now to discuss what the future of New Life is going to be, because Alexi doesn't only do it with the corporate team. He involves the field. He wants to know what we're looking for. He wants to know our successes, but more importantly, he wants to know where our struggles are so he could make that road that much smoother for us. So I want to welcome everyone. We're going to show you around now. I'm only in the community area of the cabin. I have a beautiful room here, and everything is very rustic, but it's very luxurious at the same time. And I don't know how to really kind of express that to be rustic and luxurious at the same time. But it's a very very spacious place. There's an indoor pool, there's indoor hot tubs, and there's ping pong tables and pool tables, and all these little staircases that wind throughout the building. And it's a journey just finding your room. But I'm very proud that the company gave me an absolutely gorgeous private room. Um, but I'm going to take my camera off my laptop a little bit. I'm going to just kind of show you. This is just the common area where we can
Wow.
hang out and have, and have some fun. And there's the main entrance there, and there's beautiful chairs, and there's a beautiful. It's hard with the lighting here. The lighting is not really perfect for for a thing, but you can see a big community fireplace, and then there's a bar area here, and there's, oh my God, snacks. I am dieting right now, but the snacks, and then there's a dining area there, and they have a beautiful kitchen with a private chef that's coming in to cook for us, and they'll be here in a little bit because breakfast is still about an hour away. It's up pretty early here. Okay, now I don't want to make you jealous. I'm just trying to show you that the company understands that we need to have these type of meetings with them because the future is not only our future, the future is everyone on this call's future. And we want to make sure that, while we make corrections to the product line and to the compensation plan and to the advertising, and there's so much great stuff going on with advertising and the branding of the company. One thing I could tell you that I'm taking, I can't tell you a lot. I have a book here with all my notes, and I'll leak a few little items, but I've been taking note after note after note, and there's so much coming. And the beauty about what I love about the Philippines is everything is new to you. And when it's new and we're sharing the message with Sir Alan and Pastor Nav, and hi, my man, I saw you. Thank you for your little message there. Doc Bunny doing tremendous job. And there's my broccoli buddy, Philip. Um, and so many of you, please, if I went through everyone like Alan did, we would never get the meeting started. And I love you all, but the beauty of the Philippines is I get to see New You Life through your eyes, all new and fresh again, all the excitement. Alan, you played a video that was at one of our very first events where we were interviewing all the doctors, and that was quite a few years ago. And I know all those people. And at that moment, when I saw that video myself for the first time, I said, "Oh my God, this is the future." And now, and it was, we had one product, just one product back then, Somaderm, and you already here in the Philippines have four products. And I will tell you, there are more coming. The whole line is being revamped, and it's being uh, really kind of unified with our hormone message, because we are the hormone health company, and that's what makes us so different. I don't want to take away from Alan's presentation, but I'm really excited. And I wanted to tell you something that while we were talking yesterday, actually the last 2 days, but between myself and Victor and Alexi and Stony and Ken and Fernando, which you haven't even met yet. He's our U.S. Sales leader from corporate. The Philippines came up so many times about a market that everyone is excited about, everyone is looking to get behind, everyone wants to kind of make their way in the Philippines. And this is what I want to tell you. We are the largest team in the Philippines. We will continue to do so and make me proud, but we're going to get a lot of support from Victor. He's another top leader here at New You Life. Yeah, we're going to get a lot of support from Alexi, tons of support from Stony. And we'll see you guys very soon. We're going to be there. Now, I know I'm going on long, but I'm so excited about so much information. I'll leak it in as Alan's speaking. But here's what I'm going to tell you. One of the things we spoke about was one of the biggest exports that comes from the Philippines is its Philippine people. And there are Philippine people all over the world. So Alan and I, over the next couple of days, are going to come up with an initiative of, we want to put some sort of additional bonus program together. And Pastor Neff, maybe you could help us. You have many, many years of experience. But what I want to do is I want to be able to entice and encourage my team in the Philippines, our team in the Philippines, to reach out and let's have an initiative for who gets the most U.S. distributors from a Filipino distributor getting people in the U.S., a Philippine distributor getting more people in Australia. I know we have people in Canada. We have people in the U.S. already. We have people in Australia already, but I want to expand that. I want you to be able to bring money home to the Philippines. Okay. And there's so many advantages about, your maintenance is taken care of. Just with 2 customers in the US, your maintenance is taken care of. Okay, so we're working extremely hard. So we're going to have, before I get there, we're going to have an initiative of another little bonus of anyone in the Philippines who's going to expand outside of the Philippines. You must have a brother, a cousin. You may know some Italian guy from New Jersey who lives in the United States that you can bring into your New You Life business. And let's truly make the Philippines the hub of international business for New You Life. So even though you may not have the biggest population in the world, you have the biggest export of people in the world, you have the greatest knowledge of the social media. Let's take advantage of that and build some diamonds in the Philippines. My goal right now is, well, obviously, it's very, very special when we get our first diamond in the Philippines. That's a very, very special thing. You may have seen I had to give a great gift to my first diamond in in Korea. Well, I want to do something special for our first diamond in the Philippines, but I also have a goal of 10 diamonds in the Philippines. And we'll get a time frame going. Let's work on our first 1,000 distributors. And we are way more than a small percentage that we're already in double digits towards our 1,000 distributors. So let's go there. But again, we're going to come up with a great bonus. Let's see if we can get up to 30 people on this call. I know it's a strange time of the week, but because then we'll do some bonuses for this call. Okay, Alan, I think we gave them enough time to invite people. I'm going to hand it over to you, and let's have a great meeting.
Yeah, thank you very much, Sir Paul. So guys, no, as what we are hearing right now, no, we have so many good news coming to the Philippines, and next month, guys, they're coming to the Philippines, no, Sir Paul, the executive, the management. So we will see him, no,
Oh yeah,
next month.
Crown Plaza, the 26th, April 26th, Crown Plaza Hotel. Okay. Let's fill it. We have so far we have a commitment of 100 people from our team. I'd like to see if we can get that number up. And you're going to see from the stage Pastor Knapp, you're going to see Alan from the stage, you're going to see me, and we're going to develop some new leaders that are going to share that microphone, and we're going to share the message of what you guys built. Sorry to interrupt you again, Alan, but I wanted to make sure we start promoting 26th Crown Plaza.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So guys, no, be ready. April 26th, no, we will be having a big event in Crown Plaza. So anyway, no, thank you very much, Sir Paul. Every day it's going to be exciting and exciting, no, so many good news, so many promotions, and yeah, we're all very excited here. So tonight, guys, wait, I will look at my slides. Here we go. Okay, so share screen po ako. So we are 18 on the call. So nakikita niyo po ba yung screen?
Yep, yep.
Paano ba to? Pakiyan lang po natin yung screen. Ha? Ayan, kita na po.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Pastor Nap. So again, guys, no, good evening po sa ating lahat and welcome to our business overview, no. This is very exciting po kasi as you can see po sa ating poster, so Philippines is the next stop and we call it Project Pioneer Launch kasi sobrang fresh na po ng opportunity na to dito sa Pilipinas po, no? Imagine you can join a multi-billion dollar opportunity right now, right there, no, in the Philippines, available na po siya. So, not moving. Wait. My screen is not moving. Wait po. Keynote. Yan, okay na po?
Yes, bro. Tuloy.
Yan. So, guys, tuloy tayo, no? Okay. So, guys, very short lang din na to. It's an overview. So, ang dami na nating narinig na mga good news kay Sir Paul. So, basically, guys, ngayon po, dito na po siya sa Pilipinas, no? Yung ating New You Life po, no? Ito po yung pangalan ng ating company. And just a short story lang din, no? Bago po ako napunta dito, just to share my personal story po, no? 2 years ago, I was invited by Sir Paul here, no, sa opportunity na to, and hindi ko po siya pinansin. So to be exact, January 24, 2024 po yun, nung inintroduce po sa akin itong company na to. And totally guys, hindi ko po siya pinansin. So pinansin ko siya just 3 months ago or more, no, more than 3 months ago na. And nung tiningnan po yung company, so guys, medyo na-amaze talaga ako. So chinek ko yung company, chinek ko yung product, at the same time, chinek ko rin yung leadership ng company. So tonight, yun po yung isi-share po natin sa bawat isa. So again, no, New Ulay po is a US-based hormone health company. So medyo bago po ito sa pandinig natin, no? Ulitin ko, no? It's a US-based hormone health company po. So New Ulay po is founded in 2017. So kung titingnan nyo, we are 8-year-old company na po. And so far, year 2020, no, we are featured po sa social selling news and as one of the fastest growing young companies in the year 2020. Imagine that, guys. So fastest growing hormone health company siya in the world. Why? Because in their first 5 years, guys, this is something, no? Kasi na-hit po ng company ang $1 billion in sales in their first 5 years. So ako, nung tinignan ko siya, guys, hindi po yan basta-basta. For you to become a $1 billion company in their first 5 years, guys, merong something po dito sa company or sa opportunity na meron sa New You Life. Again, ulitin ko, New You Life po is the global leader in hormone health and wellness, no, that offers the world first homeopathic transdermal gel in support of the production of body's natural human growth hormone. So later on, we will expound po kung ano ba itong hormone health na ito. So, even me, no, nung first time kong narinig ito, through New You Life Company, medyo bago po talaga sa akin yung hormone health. At the same time, ang babaw po ng pagkakaintindi ko about hormone. No? Kala ko lang parang hormonal imbalance, irregular yung period, something like that. Pero guys, sobrang laki pala po, no, ng potential ng hormones natin na hindi lang na ipapaliwanag. Of course, no? So guys, kung titingnan niyo po, yan po yung ating headquarters po sa Amerika. Located po tayo sa Salt Lake, Lehi, Utah po, no? So imagine niyo po yan. So maybe if there's a chance, no, if given us an opportunity to visit there, so we will visit there po. So ito po yung mga offices natin, yung headquarters natin sa Utah, California. We have office po Hong Kong, Taiwan, Thailand, Japan, Korea, dalawa po yung ating headquarters, Malaysia, and very soon to open po yung Philippine market po. And I think they will gonna open Vietnam, Indonesia, and of course, in Europe countries, North America, may mga offices din po tayo dyan. So ano po ibig sabihin? Kung titingnan nyo po, we have a very stable, very sustainable po yung company natin. So right now, guys, we are operating po in 17 countries na. So, Philippines is the 17 countries na bubuksan po ng New You Life. So, imagine niyo po yan, in just one click, yung business mo, 17 countries po kaagad. Okay, later on, no? Kasi pwede tayo magnegosyo in 17 countries and counting po yan. So, just to introduce to you guys the man behind this amazing company, of course, Sir Alexi Goldstein. So he is the CEO po of our company. He is the founder and formulator himself. Guys, imagine this guy developed over 600 product lines, no? Health and wellness, no? Primera klase, top of the line po yan, and has helped millions of people already to become healthy. So sabi nga niya, more than ever daw, no, people want to invest in their health, but most of the companies are just driven by profit margin. Pero sabi niya, ibinild ko ang New You Life to stand above the rest. Sabi niya, I want to offer an absolute best of science and nature to create products that will change the way people age. So, and here comes yung New You Life company po. So, we're very privileged po kasi na-meet na rin po namin si Sir Alexi. Napakabait po, napaka-humble, And in fact, in-invite niya po kami for a dinner po. Okay, we will share some of the photos din po, no? During their visit po, last year December po. So pabalik-balik po sila yan sa Asia. And of course guys, no, ito rin po yung mga leadership, no, na nakatulong po dito ng ating CEO. Of course, si Sir Tony Tanner. Na-meet na rin po natin. Siya po yung ating Vice President for Global Expansion. We have Catherine Garfield, no, global top leader po yan, top trainer po yan, and fiancé po yan ng ating CEO, no, ni Sir Alexi, and of course, our very own Sir Paul Capozio, global top leader, top trainer po yan sa industry, and of course, number one distributor po, Diamond Ambassador dito po sa New Life. So, we're very, very, very thankful to Sir Paul kasi, alam mo yun guys, we're so blessed and privileged kasi nga, parang napunta tayo talaga sa napakagandang leadership po. Makikita niyo po yan, no? So, ngayon, pag-usapan po natin about product, no? Konting science lang din, ano ba yung product natin, paano ba siya nag-work. So, guys, if you can see, guys, no, we cannot stop aging. It's inevitable po. But, through the research, through the discovery, through the innovation, yung mga sciences po na yan, we can slow it down. Diba? So, are you ready, guys, to experience graceful aging through life balance? Did you know that your hormone, eto na tayo, plays a very vital role in your health and well-being? So tonight, you will learn guys and discover how your hormone affects everything in your body. So ito nga po yung medyo nakaka-excite kasi hindi natin alam. Dati ang alam ko lang talaga sa hormone, napakababaw lang po. But thanks to New You Life, no, they educate us, they give us knowledge, they give us the right information po kung ano ba talaga yung hormone and how this hormone thing, no, help us in our health. So guys, hormonal imbalance po and the natural decline of human growth hormone or HGH po kung tawagin can lead, ulitin ko can lead to chronic and degenerative conditions over time. No? So guys, medyo nakakatakot pala and we need to take it very serious. Kasi yung pagkakaroon pala ng mga hormonal imbalance, yung lacking na yung HGH sa body natin, guys, nakakatakot din pala siya. It will lead you to chronic and degenerative diseases over time. So ngayon, paano natin malalaman na lacking na or decreasing na yung body natin of HGH? So number one, ito na po yung mga mararamdaman natin. Low energy and fatigue. Guys, weight gain and slower na yung metabolism natin. Poor sleep, no? Hindi na tayo nakakatulog ng basta-basta. Reduce muscle mass and strength, increase your body fat, decrease your bone density, reduce vitality and libido. So guys, ito yung mga symptoms, no, na kung saan dito natin malalaman na declining na pala yung ating human growth hormone. So if you can see on the graph, no, as we age, no, according to the study, to the science, if you reach the age 25, guys, that's the time there's a massive decline of your hormone. Okay? So ngayon, there are some mga methods, there are some mga lifestyle on how to increase the production of human growth hormone. You can do natural thing naman eh. But here's the good news. There may be a way to support your body, restore, balance, and feel stronger, healthier, and more vibrant again. So thanks to this product, guys, this is one of the breakthrough discovery nowadays, guys. So if you know about hormone injections, yung mga lifestyle medicines, those are performed and prescribed by the medical doctors. And guys, take note, they're expensive. Medyo mahal po yun. But with this bottle that what we have, guys, this is now available in the Philippines. We're just getting started. And people are now getting clearer. Now they're getting information about this hormone product. So, ladies and gentlemen, we will introduce to you the Stomaderm Gel. So, what is a Stomaderm Gel? Guys, this is the world's first homeopathic transdermal gel designed to support the body's natural production of human growth hormone. So guys, napakaganda po ng product nito. Alam niyo kung bakit? Pinapahid lang po siya. Pagdating po sa transdermal formula, siya po yung pinaka-advanced. no? It really support, guys, the natural production of your body, no? Yung HGH niya, no? Up to 800%. Imagine that. No, there's a proof or scientific base for that po. So it's a global wellness solution wherein trusted by millions of users, of clients, even guys, doctors, no? So imagine niyo po, this bottle sold close to 10 million worldwide. So imagine niyo po yan, close to 10 million bottles of users or 10 million bottles sold worldwide na po siya. And right now, nandito na po siya sa Pilipinas. Guys, look at this. This Somaderm product po is trusted by over 5,000 medical doctors and healthcare professionals. Guys, there's something within this product. Imagine, those doctors, healthcare professionals, they're not just using it. They are prescribing it to their patient also. This product is listed in PDR. If you're familiar po with the PDR, the Physician's Desk Reference, this product is an FDA approved. Guys, meron po siyang third-party testing in terms of safety and efficacy po because we want to make sure that the product is safe for human consumption po. All natural ingredients po yan kung makikita nyo. And guys, why this product is very effective? Because of the Somatech technology. Okay, you can do Google. Now you can research about the Somatech, how does this Somatech-driven approach works in our body po. So again, close to 10 million bottles worldwide na po tayo. So ano ba yung mga benefits nito? No? Pag gumamit ba ako, magic ba ito? So guys, these are the benefits po na mararamdaman natin. Of course, there's no instant naman eh. There's no magic naman sa paggamit ng mga products. So it really takes time, but because of this product, guys, number one benefit, syempre yung tulog. Marami pong nakaranas dito na talagang, sir, grabe, ang ganda po ng tulog. Quality, deep sleep po talaga. Yung iba nga po nananaginip eh. No? So, faster injury healing and recovery, nakakatulong po siya. Stronger immune system po. Improve skin texture and appearance. Guys, the best anti-aging po ito sa market. Improve skin texture and appearance, better mood and cognitive function, magkakaroon ka po ng clarity, magkakaroon ka ng focus, yung mga minsan nakakalimutan mo, guys, maaalala nyo po. It enhance your bone density po, improve energy levels, ito number 1 to. Meron akong kakilala, nagbabasketball siya, sabi niya, grabe yung stamina niya. Guys, vitality, energy, guys, fat loss and weight management. Nagdi-detox ka po dito. It increase muscle mass and strength po. And there are so many benefits po of using this product. Okay? So, paano naman mag-apply? Saan po siya ina-apply? Guys, very simple. So, you can apply under sa underarm mo kasi maninipis po yung ating skin dyan. Pwede din po sa likod ng tuhod, pwede din po sa wrist dito, no? And pwede po sa forearms po natin. So yung iba, yung sa mga 7 pulses, nilalagyan din po yan sa puso, yung iba naglalagay, yung iba dito sa may neck, no? And yung iba din sa may singit, no? Kung saan po may mga maninipis na area because it can really penetrate fast, no? Imagine 1 to 2 minutes na sa bloodstream na po natin siya. Guys, ganun po siya kabilis. Kaya nga pag tiningnan nyo po, no, pag naglagay kayo, guys, no, in 45 seconds, i-rub nyo lang po siya. Guys, pag tiningnan nyo, parang wala kayong nilagay. Ano ibig sabihin? 100% nag-absorb po siya. So you can apply 2 full pumps in the morning and 2 full pumps in the evening. So apply 5 days on and 2 days off po. May pahinga po yan. Okay? So for intensive use, apply 4 full pumps po in the morning and 4 full pumps po in the evening naman po. So ito po yung mga highest quality ingredients niya. Again, no, very ethically sourced po yung mga ingredients nito. So made with the highest standard of natural, botanical herbs and ingredients po. So kung titingnan nyo guys, yan lang po yung laman ng ating Somaderm. But again, bakit ganun siya ka-effective? Of course, because of the science, no? The way yung product formulate through the gel, no? That's why nagpe-penetrate po siya sa skin natin, papunta sa bloodstream po natin, no? So, ito lang po 'yon. Ito po yung science diyan. So, yung human growth hormone po natin, yung mga hormonal glands po na yan, Yung HGH po na yan, ang nagpo-produce po niyan, okay, sa katawan po natin is yung ating endocrine system. So sa endocrine system, no, medyo ano lang, konting ano lang tayo, balik-aral. So sa endocrine system natin, we have pituitary glands, we have thyroid and adrenals po. No? Yung mga binanggit po natin na yon, no, once yung product in-apply po, no, pumasok po yan through the skin, pumasok sa bloodstream po natin. Pupunta po yan doon sa endocrine, papuntang pituitary. It helps, no, to stimulate, to activate, no? Stimulate, activate, rejuvenate, no? Na yung pituitary natin magpuproduce po siya, no, ng natural human growth hormone. Ganun lang po siya. So it's an all natural, guys. No, pinapahid na lang po siya. So ngayon, there's another great product, no, na available na rin po siya sa Pilipinas. Guys, ito po 'yon. Itong product na to, well, this is the flagship. Guys, no, ang flagship natin is yung Somaderm, yung blue bottle. Ito yung bumenta ng close to 10 million bottles kasi ito po yung pinaka the best product. And here comes another great product po, yung Somaderm plus AWE. Ano naman ito? O guys, para madali maintindihan, it's an instant pain reliever product. O talaga, Sir Alan, instant pain reliever yan? Yes po. In 5 to 10 minutes, yung pain gone. Headache, migraine, shoulder, mga frozen shoulder, back pain, knee pain, guys, any pain, no? Rheuma, gout, arthritis, and along the way na ginagamit mo siya, guys, nagugulat ka, nag-i-improve siya. Pero yung pain instant po yan. Subok na subok po namin to. The most and highly demonstrable product na meron tayo, ito po yun. Dinidemo ko po ito sa public. Kasi malakas ang kumpiyansa po natin kasi yung product, wow, grabe, nawala agad yung pain. So there's an instant relief and comfort. So highly demonstrable po yung product natin na to. So ayan po yan, no? So of course, all natural din po yan. And ang base pa din po niyan, yung Somaderm pa din po. Okay? So imagine niyo, it support targeted pain relief, systemic pain relief po yan, reduce discomfort, so provide anti-inflammatory support din siya. So guys, there's so many benefits. It support your focus. Guys, marirelax ka din pag naglagay ka nito. No? It support the body's stress response, support the management anxious feelings, improve length and quality of sleep also because of the Somaderm base gel niya, improve bone and joint health, increase lean muscle, reduce fat, improve sexual vitality, and support overall hormone balance po. Guys, this is one of the best product also. So as what Sir Paul mentioned no, a while ago, we have 4 products available in the Philippines and there's more to come, guys. Guys, pagdating naman sa beauty, we have the hydrate and we have the lift. Yung hydrate, guys, no, your hydration, you maintain your glow, hydrate and nourish your skin, no, help to reduce yung parang glow ka lagi tingnan, hindi dry, tight yung mga skin mo, very smooth yan, no, it provide refreshing, moisture support, promote a smooth and supple skin, and support daily skin hydration. So, ini-spray lang po yan. Pwede naman po yan sa buong katawan, pero syempre ako tinitipid ko kasi siya sa face lang hanggang sa neck po. Okay? And then yung lift naman po natin, guys, instant din po ito. Paano, guys, tanggal po talaga yung eye bag mo, yung mga fine lines mo, tsaka yung wrinkles mo. There's an instant effect. And along the way na ginagamit mo siya, magugulat ka, wow, totally nawala na po yung eye bag ko. So, ang maganda lang sa lift, guys, kung all day kayo sa labas, may mga meetings kayo, may mga kausap kayo, maintain mo yung ano mo, yung face mo. Wala yung eye bags mo, hindi lumalabas, yung mga wrinkles, yung mga fine lines. So, naglalas po siya ng 6 to 8 hours. But syempre, kung tuloy-tuloy mo siyang ginagamit, magugulat ka, totally wala na po. No, totally mawawala na po yung mga eye bags natin, tsaka yung mga wrinkles natin. So again, guys, no, everyone is taking their position in this fastest breakthrough opportunity launch. No, so be part of the multi-billion-dollar opportunity in the Philippines. Napakaganda po ng situation natin ngayon kasi halos nagsisimula pa lang po tayo. So health and wellness success stories, ang dami na po nating mga testimonies, no, especially sa clinic po ni Doc Pani, talagang grabe po. No, so join our New You Life Facebook community group. And meron din tayong mga group chats, doon po natin sinishare yung mga testimonies and yung mga life balance experiences po, no, ng mga clients, distributors, and users po natin. So, yun guys, and later on siguro if you have questions pagdating sa product, no? Pwede po nating i-cater yung mga questions na yan. So siguro, Pastor Nap, magtutuloy-tuloy na ako, no? Sa ating business or sa opportunity side.
Yes, brother, go ahead. And
Okay.
anyway, late after mo, andyan naman si Doc Bunny sa mga question nila.
Okay. Okay. Ayos. Sige. So ilan tayo sa call? So 24 na po tayo. Yan. Actually, padami na po yung ating team, no? Especially dito sa Philippines. So guys, kung titingnan nyo po, ang product napakaganda po. So masasabi natin, breakthrough product, no? At alam naman po natin na kapag ang product maganda, maganda po siyang inegosyo. Wherein this Somaderm Gel, this New You Life company, meet the right opportunity through multi-level marketing. Tama? Kasi guys, sa mga I know all of you, you're aware na po about network marketing, multi-level marketing. Guys, rampant na po siya. Network marketing is not new. No, hindi po ito bago. Decades or centuries meron na pong ganito. So, ako especially, I'm a product of multi-level marketing. And personally po, kapag pag-uusapan po natin ng health and wellness, guys, you can find the best product, no, of health and wellness in a network marketing company po. Doon nyo po yan makikita. So, ang ginawa po ng company, ginawa po ng New You Life, no, yung pag-promote po, yung pag-sell ng product through multi-level marketing po. Na kung saan this is very powerful, unmatched, and a proven path that has created multi-millionaires all over the world. So maganda po rito, level playing field po siya. No, dito ang maganda dito po, wala kang background na kung saan ka galing, ito po yung pinaka nagustuhan ko. And all walks of life po nakita ko dito sa klase ng negosyo. I've been in the network marketing space po for 16 years. Guys, imagine niyo po, 16 years na ako sa ganitong negosyo. No, I love selling products, especially yung product may value, especially yung product po makakatulong po 'yan, no, particularly sa mga health na mga tao. At the same time, here's the good news. We are promoting health, no, in this industry. At the same time, guys, we are promoting wealth also. Kaya napakaganda po ng network marketing. Okay. So, first, let's talk about the industry. Guys, we all know, no? Balik ako dito. Okay. Guys, if you can see, guys, the wellness revolution nowadays, look at the industry. Look at the size po. We are talking about $5.6 trillion wellness industry. Guys, imagine that. And even you guys, kahit ikaw po, pinagkikitaan tayo dito. We are part of 5.6 trillion. Why? Of course, you buy vitamins, you buy antioxidant, you buy supplements. No, everybody's using that. You go to supermarket, you go to the drugstore. Guys, we are part of 5.6 trillion business na to. But the question, kumikita ba ako dito every time na bumibili ako? Of course, hindi po. Sino yung mga kumikita? Yung mga health and wellness company po. So guys, kung titingnan nyo po, sobrang laki pala ng pagninegosyo na to. Kaya pala, guys, just go out, no? Look outside. Tingnan nyo po. There's so many big health and wellness company. Kaliwat kanan po. You can go to the mall. No, makikita niyo po sila. Ang lalaki ng mga nirerentahan nilang space. Anong mga paninda nila? They have vitamins, they have antioxidants, they have anti-aging product, they have skincare product. So guys, we are talking about 5.6 trillion. And alam niyo po sa panahon ngayon, bakit palaki po siya ng palaki? Para makita niyo lang po. Nung unang panahon, medyo reactive yung mga tao eh. Ano ibig sabihin? Hintayin mo muna may maramdaman bago po nila mapapansin or bago nila aayusin po. In short, magkakasakit ka muna bago po nila gagamutin. Pero sa panahon ngayon, proactive na po tayo. Yung prevention po na sinasabi. So bakit ko hihintayin manghina ako kung pwede ko namang i-prevent na yon? Bakit ko hihintayin may maramdaman ako na ganito kung pwede ko nang i-prevent? So kaya po, ganyan po yung lobo ng industry natin. Why? Kasi yung dating reactive na mga tao, proactive na po sila. in wellness, in health and wellness po. They're focusing on prevention. They're focusing on anti-aging and long-term vitality po. So guys, okay, here's the thing. Oh, ito guys, hindi po ito pinag-uusapan. Yung sinabi natin na 5.6 trillion, guys, tingnan nyo itong isang industry, isang market na to. Guys,
Wala namang tumigil.
the global human growth hormone po, okay? Okay, we will mute lang po para, ayan. Okay. Guys, the total size po, no, the global human growth hormone market is expanding massively po. Imagine niyo po, 2026, papalo po siya ng $9 billion in size po. Ngayon, tatanungin ko po kayo, may nagma-market ba? Are there someone marketing a hormone product in the Philippines? Okay. Wait. Are you seeing my screen?
Not yet,
Yes,
Alan.
yes, yes.
It's you have to reset. Yeah, we see your screen, but we don't see the presentation. There we
Okay.
go. Perfect.
So guys, walang nagma-market ngayon na company about hormone. Okay? Wait. Are you seeing my screen, guys?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, brother. Yes.
So guys, kung titingnan nyo po, the market size is calculated, no? 8.10 billion in 2025 po yan, last year po. And ngayong 2026, papalo po siya ng 9 billion. Guys, fast forward 2035, papalo po yan ng 25 to 150 billion market size po. So ibig sabihin, ganun po kalaki ang hormone industry. Guys, wala pang nagkikwento nito sa atin, wala pong nag-share nito sa atin. Okay, sabi nga ni Sir Paul, even without this company, even without New You Life, this market will grow and expand massively po. No, lalaki at lalaki po yung human growth hormone market na to. No, so maraming mga product ngayon sa market, of course, injectables, lifestyle, yung mga pellets, medicines po, and yung transdermal gel po na to, which is yung Somaderm. So ngayon, i-walk through ko kayo ng konti dito, and we will have further discussions, no, yung details talaga nito. But guys, no, so far, this 8-year-old company produced 252 millionaires to be exact. Guys, human growth hormone market is just getting started. And imagine, this company, no, produced 252 millionaires already. Guys, this is in US dollar. So, ano ibig sabihin? Guys, yung 252 millionaires at least earning $1 million per year. Guys, at least $1 million per year po yung kinikita ng mga yan. So right now, the total population of the company, I think 250,000 total distributors with 252 millionaires in 8 years. Guys, imagine that. 2026, 9 billion yung size. Guys, 2% na lang makuha natin. New You Life. Somaderm. Imagine how much volume you are making. So again, very simple. We have packages to offer for you to start, for you to become a distributor. Guys, this is the good thing. There's no discrimination of the entry package. You can buy just one bottle. Try it by yourself, subukan mo siya for only $208 including the shipping na po yan. Okay? So guys, yung isang bote na yan, magagamit niyo po yan for 1.5 or 2 months po yan. Depende po sa paggamit niyo. No? So kung titingnan mo, napakaganda. Bakit? The best anti-aging, weight management product po yan, pain management product din po yan, cellular level product at the same time overall, anti-aging and beauty na din po siya. So this is the most popular po na kinukuha ng mga client po natin, yung combo. No, the Somaderm plus Somaderm AWE po, which is for $299, makakapagnegosyo na ka na po. Meron kang sariling store, may sariling website ka, and you can do business in 17 countries po. Imagine that. Just to share you my experience, I have a friend in Canada. No? She's in pain, she cannot go to the office, no? She's suffering with her health. Then I introduced the product to her. You know what guys, I just sent my website. Sinend ko lang yung website ko, and guys, hindi ko alam bumili po siya. She bought a combo. And you know what? How much, may nag-pop up sa dashboard ko sa back office ko, I earned $70. So guys, imagine that. I'm here in the Philippines, I just sent my website, no? To my friends outside the Philippines, then when they purchase, I get my commission. So guys, meron din tayong 4 packs, no? And of course, we have big package. So why people getting big package po? Because they get the product cheaper and they get big discount. So imagine, if you purchase the 8 bottle pack, guys, you get the bottle for $136 only. You save $504. Imagine that. Okay, yes, guys, you can start 1 bottle, no? That's $199 including the shipping, but this one you can get it for $136 per bottle. Okay, you can also get the 10 plus 1 bottle pack, no? $130 per bottle po yan, and most of the people, guys, they get the 15 bottle. This is 15 plus 1. Why? Because you get it $120 per bottle, or 7,000 pesos na lang po siya, or 6,800 pesos na lang po. Okay? Again, pagdating po sa package entry po, wala pong discrimination dyan. Kung ano yung benefit ng package 1 or nung malalaking package, halos parehas lang po yan. Same earning, same benefit. The only difference is you get big discount po. Okay? So again, we have ranks and qualifications po dito. Kung titingnan nyo po, very plain. Okay? Very plain, very simple lang po. No? From promoter to executive promoter down to diamond ambassador. So guys, hindi nyo kailangan bumili ng sangkatutak na product po dito para i-hit po yung rank na to, yung mga promotions, hindi po siya ganun. We can grow it organically po. No? So, talagang tao po yung binibuild natin or yung product users po talaga. Okay? So, unang kitaan po. Number 1, you can do retail commission. So, imagine guys, bumili ka ng isang product, may negosyo ka na, you have your own website, you have your dashboard, you can monitor everything. So every time po na may bibiling customer doon, example, may bumili po ng isang Somaderm gel, you earn $45 kaagad po. Guys, customer lang ito ha. So imagine if you have 10 customers, purchase 1 bottle of Somaderm, 45 times 10, guys, that's $450. And what if these customers, guys, they're satisfied? Then the next month, they purchase again. So month after month, they're buying bottles. So you earn $25 per bottle for their succeeding orders. Guys, we're talking about customers, not distributors. No? Mga customer pa lang po yun. So if you are, kung meron ka pong mga, let's say, 20 customers buying 1 bottle every month, na merong $25 each na umaakyat po sa iyo, so times 20, magkano po yun? Guys, that's $500. $500 every month po yun. So nakikita nyo po, we are talking about customers only. No? Kasi pwede tayo mag-sign up ng customers sa ating website. Okay. So dito na po tayo. So medyo malaki na po yung kitaan po natin dito. Kasi, okay, meron tayong sinasabing first order bonus. O, sa Pilipinas, kilala po ito bilang direct referral. O, Sir Alan, paano pag may bumili ng package? Guys, every package po na may bibili, you earn $20 po sa 1 bottle pack, $60 po pag bumili yung 4 na bote, and the rest po sa mga malalaking package po, $120 po yan. Guys, very simple po. 20, 60, 120 para doon sa mga executive packages po. Direct referral or first order bonus po yan. Pangatlo, we have team commissions. Guys, this is very exciting. Why? Guys, this is a binary compensation plan. There's an element of binary po dito sa ating complan sa New Life. And we are a believer of a binary, no? Alam natin sa binary, iba ang kitaan pag binary. So, but guys, take note. Hindi po siya 1:1. No? Sa Pilipinas kasi, may pumasok sa left, may pumasok sa right, match right away. Pero dito po hindi. Oh, guys, but look at this po. Ang sabi dito sa system, it's a point value, no? It's a volume based. May 400 points sa left, may 600 points sa right, or vice versa po yan. Guys, you earn $40 per cycle. Again, it's a group volume effort including the spillover po. And pag na-hit nyo po yung certain rank, $60 na po yan per cycle. Oh, here's the thing. Guys, kung ikaw bumili ka ng isang bote, distributor ka na, ang ganda ng dashboard mo, ang ganda ng system mo, you can do business in 17 countries. Guys, yung maximum income nyo po dito sa binary, no, namuhunan ka ng one bottle ha, guys, $20,000 per week. That's 1.2 million pesos per week yung pwede mong kitain. $80,000 per month and $1,040,000 per year po yan. Sir Alan, ang laki naman. Guys, totoo po yan. No? So, no flash out of commissions po dito as long as the account is active. And of course, nakikarry over po yan. Kasama po lahat, pati spillover, hindi po siya nawawala. Okay? So guys, ito po yung pangatlong kita natin. Pang-apat po, we have coaching bonus. Okay, napakaganito. Napakaganda po nito. So ang coaching bonus, kapag na-hit nyo po simula executive promoter, coordinator, down to diamond ambassador, nakikita nyo po yung mga percentage niya on the right. Guys, lahat po ng entry packages na papasok, meron ka pong overriding commissions po. Ano ibig sabihin? Doon sa new UPAC, yung single bottle natin, naalala nyo yung FOB doon, $20? Guys, may 20% ka po doon pag promoter ka. Pag coordinator ka, 20%. Executive ka, 20%. Pag coach ka, 10%. Oh, what if you are a coach? Tapos guys, wala pang nagrarank sa ilalim mo. Ibig sabihin, kuha mo yung 10, kuha mo yung 20, kuha mo yung 20, kuha mo yung 20%. Salo nyo po lahat yon since wala pang nagra-rank advance. Paano pag doon sa executive pack sa $120? Guys, kuha mo yun, may override ka. Down to infinity po yan. Wala pong limit yan. Ang beauty, dynamic compression and spillover is not included lang dito ha. Kasi nagsisimula lang po siya doon sa direct mo. From your direct, down to your indirect, and down the line po yan. Down to infinity po siya. Guys, ito po, magugulat kayo dito. Pag na-hit nyo, nako, para kayong may metro ng taxi. Magugulat kayo, $4, $10, $20, $50, $24, guys, magugulat kayo. Okay? You get an override. Panglima po, matching bonus. Ano ibig sabihin? It's a check match. Or sa Pilipinas to, leadership bonus to guys eh. So magsisimula ito from your level 1 down to the 7th levels div po. Guys, sobrang lalim po nito. Ibig sabihin lang nito guys, kung magkano kinikita ng direct mo, you earn 10%. Yung indirect mo, you earn 10% guys, hanggang 7 levels po yan. Okay? Ang tawag po natin dyan, matching bonus. And last, guys, we have momentum bonus po. Guys, ito yung pinaka-goal natin. Somehow, pwedeng maging retirement po natin. Okay? Kapag nagsimula ka po ng coach, na rank, guys, ang ganda na po ng income mo dyan. Dito, babayaran ka ng company ng $350 per month in 1 year. So, ibig sabihin, every month may natatanggap ako ng $350. Yes, pang hulog mo na yan ng sasakyan, pang meeting mo na yan, pang bayad mo na ng mga bills, pang renta mo na po yan. Eh, paano next year na hit mo yung life coach? Guys, $600 per month ka na for 12 months po yan. Eh, paano the next year nag-ambassador ka na, guys? $1,000 per month ka. Eh, Diamond Ambassador, guys, $1,500 per month po yan. Guys, imagine, wala ka po sa Amerika, nasa Pinas ka, pero nagpe-pension ka in dollars. Maganda ba? Or magandang-maganda? O, comment naman dyan. No? Palipad tayo ng heart para at least makita natin. Okay, magpalipad nga tayo ng heart para at least makita natin kung andyan pa kayo. So, we are 25 on the call right now. No? Yan. Ang daming heart, no? Yes. So, guys, we have 4 products available in the Philippines. And of course, just to share you also some of the initiatives no, that Sir Paul is doing just to help us in building the Philippine market. Guys, meron tayong mga team promotions po. Guys, bitin ko this is a team promotion. Okay, galing po ito sa packet ni Sir Paul. Okay? This is on top of the compensation plan of the company. Okay. Guys, we have free subscription. Ano ibig sabihin? By the time you join, now if you sponsor 3 people, in 30 days po ito you will get 1 free bottle or 1 subscription for the next month. So ibig sabihin, Sir Alan, hindi na ako bibili next month? Yes. Ibig sabihin, meron akong 1 bottle? Yes, you can sell that for $140 or you can sell that for 8,700 up to 10,000 pesos po. Yung bote. Or pwede mo gamitin pang demo. Okay? Or kung medyo mabait ka, bigay mo sa akin. Okay? Pwede naman po yan. Okay? Kidding aside po, no? Yan po yan. Refer 3 and earn 1 bottle and free subscription for the next month. Okay, what else? Guys, if you hit the rank executive promoter, nakita nyo, no? Kumikita na kayo dun sa loob ng system ng New You Life. Guys, may bonus tayo. You earn 5,000 pesos cash and merchandise. So, maybe a shirt or cup or jacket, no? From New You Life po yan. Napakaganda quality po yung damit na yan. Okay? So, in 60 days naman po yan upon your activation po. Next, Apple iPad incentives also. So, this is a 60 days run also, guys. You get the free Apple iPad 11 generation po yan. Imagine niyo po yan. If you hit the rank advanced to coordinator. And guys, alam nyo yung rank advanced to coordinator na to, you're hitting 2 birds. Okay, tatamaan mo rin po yung travel na nilaunch natin. Okay? May iPad ka na, so you can have good presentations na. And guys, pag na-hit mo naman yung coach, guys, meron ka ditong bonus na one-time $500 po. Oh, this is coming from Sir Paul po. More or less 30,000 pesos po yan. Oh guys, pag coach ka, ang ganda na po ng income mo rito, may $500 cash bonus ka pa. Okay? And lastly po, yung ating travel incentive launch po. This is the very first team travel na launch natin dito sa Philippines. A Thailand trip for 4 days and 3 nights po yan. Nagsimula po ito noong March 1, April hanggang end of May po ito. So 90 days guys. Pero yung iba parang 1 linggo, 2 linggo, 1 buwan makukuha na ito. Again, it's promotions po in the Philippines, no? So, yun guys, no? I'm about to finish. I'm almost finished po. Patapos na ako. So, just want to share this to you guys. So, ako personally, ito yung mga factors na tinitingnan ko in joining a company. Of all the good, beautiful, amazing company outside, okay, why choose New You Life? Okay? Why New You Life, guys? Number 1, a very stable and sustainable company. Imagine, no, this company, an 8-year-old company, a multi-billion-dollar company. Guys, kung titingnan mo, very sustainable na siya. And guys, nung last month when I attended the Zoom, alam nyo kung ilang bottles yung lumabas sa company on that month alone? 700,000 bottles sold. So, ganun po kalakas yung product ng New United. Why? In terms of science-driven product, innovative po yan. So, you will experience cutting-edge wellness solutions backed by breakthrough science po. Guys, ito pa. Yung product po ni New Life is very unique. Very effective and in high demand po siya in today's health-conscious market. Bakit? Nakita nyo naman yung size ng hormone industry natin. Nakita nyo naman yung product natin, pinapahid na lang po siya. No, kumbaga yung tao hindi na magdadalawang isip, pinapahid na lang pala. So, guys, pagdating naman sa compensation plan, very simple and highly rewarding compensation plan. So, kung titingnan nyo po, ang comp plan hindi naman siya, for me para sa akin, at the very least na lang siya Uli ko na tinitingnan ng marketing plan. Alam nyo kung bakit? If the product is very good, guys, yung comp plan, tsaka lang naman siya mangyayari kung ang product maganda Kung yung product magaling Whether you like it or not, you will be maximizing the compensation plan because of the product. No? So, then, pang-apat po, we have a very proven system and empowering leadership po. Very strong po yung support system. Imagine, Sir Paul is here. Okay, we have a leadership call with Alexi, with Stony. No, that's once a week, guys. That's every week. No, that's the support, no, that they're giving to us. Very duplicable po yung strategies natin. Of course, we have a very ethical, servant, committed leadership that really wanted them, no, for us to grow po in this business. And lastly, guys, no, if you can see, timing. Lagi ko pong sinasabi, no, everything in life is all about timing. In business, it's all about timing. In relationship, it's all about timing. In your job, in your work, it's all about timing. So right now, with this new U-Life company, it's super timing po dito sa Pilipinas. So we are inviting every one of you guys to become one of the pioneer po of this breakthrough product of this company right now in the Philippines. So let's position ourselves ahead, no? This is our opportunity to be part of an expanding movement and build early momentum, guys, in a fastest growing global business. So guys, yun lang po yung aking presentation. So hopefully, it's a very quick, it's an overview, but hopefully nakita nyo po, na picture out nyo po, na vision nyo po, no, kung saan po pupunta yung company na to. So yun lang, no, pag meron kayong mga tanong, merong mga hindi malinaw, I think Pastor Nap, no, we can entertain some of the